Welcome to Jungle Sprouts. Since it's raining today, our adventure starts right here in our treehouse. Yay, a treehouse adventure! Let's explore! Let's find things that start with the letter F. Do you see anything that starts with F? Hey, look over there! A fan. Fan starts with the letter F. Can you say fan? Great! Let's see what the fan does. Wow, that's cool! Let's spin our hands like a fan. Yeah, let's do it! Are you ready? Okay, spin your hands like a fan. Great spinning! Now let's spell fan. F-A-N, fan! Great job! Let's find another word that starts with F. Ooh, what will it be? Oh, I found one! Can y'all guess what that word is? It's the word frog! Wow, good one! Do you know what a frog is? Let me show you. Look, that's a frog. Let's hop like a frog. Yeah, that sounds fun. Come hop along like a frog. Yeah, big jumps. Happy fun. Yay! Hee-hee. Ha-ha. Tee-hee. Woo-hoo. Fun. Yay! That was so fun. Yeah!
Great hopping! Now let's spell frog.
Yeah, let's spell frog now. F-R-O-G. Frog. That was fun.
Hooray! Wait, fun starts with the letter F too.
Wow!
Hey, let's sing a fun song.
Yeah, a fun song. Let's sing about fun.
Fun, fun, we love to play. Laugh and jump the happy way. Clap your hands and spin around. Fun is everywhere we found.
Wow, that was our imagination adventure. That felt so real. It did feel real, and it was awesome.
Yeah!
That was fun. Let's spell the word fun. Can y'all spell the word fun? Great! Let's spell it together.
Yeah, let's do this.
F-U-N. Fun! Yay! We did it!
Hooray!
The next word is fox. Let's move like a fox. Tiptoe, tiptoe. Join us. Tiptoe nice and quiet. Shh, like a sneaky fox. Great sneaking. Did you hear that? Yeah, just heard that. It sounded like something is in the bushes. I wonder what that could be. Look, that's a fox. Fox starts with the letter F.
Hello, friends. Did someone call my name? Yes! We're learning the letter F! That's wonderful. Do you know how to spell fox?
No, do you want to teach us?
Sure! I'll definitely teach you how to spell fox.
Yay!
Do you know how to spell fox? Let's spell it together.
F-O-X.
F-O-X. Fox! Thanks for teaching us. This adventure was so much fun today. Let's look back at all the F words we found today. Fan. Frog. Fun. Fox. F was fun today. Tomorrow, we are learning the letter G. It's time for us to go home. See you next time, friends.
Goodbye, goodbye, we had some fun.